Hello and welcome to the Mechanical Rookies. So in this video we've got a ZR160 and this is one of Sam's cars. He's going to tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, so this is a ZR160 as James has just said. This specific one has been changed into a race car, so it might be a bit different to your casual road car, but you get the same idea.
Yeah, so we're going to have a look around it. We're going to show you some ZR160 specific things to look out for. And let's get to it.
The signs of that is when your disc go that colour, it's not a good sign. It means it got too hot, or maybe something like along them lines. Your brake pads will go like wear unevenly, so it won't be very good, and your handbrake won't be up to standards, and it won't be very good. So just watch out for that, and as well, they'll smell and they'll smoke like hell, so that's just like telltale signs of sticky rear calipers. So another sign with for those ZR160s is the VVC mechanism itself. So sometimes you can get like a tappet noise, but it isn't a tappet noise, it's a VVC rattle. So you get everyone on the line going, oh yeah, your engine's knackered, your engine's knackered. It's not, don't listen to them. Just to add on with the engine bay, you can buy new mechanisms, VVC mechanism should I say, but they will be expensive and they will be really hard to find. So you may have noticed that I haven't spoken about rust this time, but here we go. You can find this here, here, and here. So, while we're at it, this video is going to be pretty short anyway, so we'll just do like a K-series check over, like checklist. So, telltales that your head gasket has gone is you'll have milkiness under there, and you'll have a little bit of milkiness under there, but obviously I'm not going to take that off because it's red hot. And yeah, make sure your cam belt has been done recently. And as well, fun fact, if you put thicker oil in your engine, your VVC rattles will go a little bit quieter, in fact. Yeah, so that's just a general bit. You hear all these horror stories of the K-series being as bad as they are. It's how you drive them.
Welcome to the Lake District National Park and our venue for the European Event of the Youth. You join me on the shores of Wastwater in Wasdale, England's deepest lake, at the foot of its tallest mountain. Join us for a weekend of adventure. On the Saturday we're going to go for a road run, a circuit of the Lake District and the mountain passes to Ambleside on the shores of Lake Windermere. And then on the Sunday, we're going to go to the Lakeland Motor Museum on a trip down the west coast of Cumbria. So please do join us on the 9th to the 11th of May 2025. Come for the whole weekend or just join us during the day. Tickets are available via the link, or just get in touch with one of the MG Rover events team.